What's up, y'all? It's Nick here. You guys know the channel. I didn't have an intro, my regular intro and all that, and I'm about to tell you why. Alright, so I finally got my new PC. This one has Windows 7, Intel Quad and all that, Quad Intro, Intel. But there's a problem. By the way, it is a lot smaller. I bet you guys can't see that. But it is a lot smaller than my other tower that I had. Here, let me get a light. That way you guys can actually see the tower. That should be, yep. There we go. It's a lot smaller than my other tower I had, but that also means it's a lot quieter. But it's also a lot more powerful than my other one. So yeah, it's always good. Now my problem with this one, I just literally got it like maybe an hour or so ago. And do you see this? Yeah. Here. I'm recording this off my phone, so it's not going to be the best quality. But it says not connected, no connections are available. Which means it cannot find anything to connect to. I don't know why. I'm going to have my guy that works on computers, and I'm going to have him look at it. But yeah, that's the reason why I haven't posted a after Christmas video or update video yet, because I got my equipment, as you guys saw, and looks a lot nicer, but it doesn't really can get on the internet right now, so that means right now I can't get to my editing software or anything like that. So I'm literally filming this off my phone. I'm going to upload it from my phone. So yeah. So that's all I want to do. Just, oh yeah, in the comments below, let me know how well your guys' Christmas went, what cool stuff you got, and all that. And yeah. So there's the update video. I will probably upload another video when I get that problem fixed. So thank you for your time, and have a good night or good morning. Bye.